Good morning, followers. It's Ray. We're headed to the beach today. But guess what? Thomas had a really good private conference yesterday. TF, say hey, T.
Hey, T. How you guys doing this morning?
Hey, T, I got a question for you.
All right.
How does it make you feel when you do a private conference for about 50 people and all of them are interested and want to join your organization? Like, how does that feel?
T, I feel like, we're finally giving people an opportunity to be financially free.
Right.
I feel like Harriet Tubman. The same way she would feel if she ran into a bunch of slaves on a plantation and she handed them passes to Canada, passes to freedom. That's how I feel. Like I'm free in the masses. Ray?
Yes.
Just call me Harriet.
All right, you're now HT.
That's right, HT. Harriet Tubman.
All right, thanks, HT.
Back at you.
There you have it, guys. The moneymaker himself. We will tune in later. Until then, see you guys on the beaches of the world, literally, and definitely at the bay.